You're so fucking cool. You're just way too fucking cool.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a very special what? Makeup video. Thank you, special makeup video. Today I'm going to be making up my little sister, and that should be a normal thing, but the fact is that I have never made anyone up in my life. Oh my god, this is going to be so hilarious. Let me say hi. Hi. First off, we're gonna start by drawing the eyebrows, and we have some primer right here. We're going to prime her face. Oh my god. Ooh, is it too much? Is it cool? So I'm done with the brows. Ta-da! Looks not that bad for someone who has never tried before. So foundation. Now we're gonna blend the foundation with the beauty blender. Yes. So we're done with foundation. Let's go over to eyeshadow. So I'm not sure what color to use yet. You guys. Turn. Okay, popping. Okay guys, so the makeup is finally coming together. It's not that bad. See, I use this. I'm going to use this to blend. I use this for the blending of the inside. Oh, she's so pretty. Right, guys, so this is the final result. Oh my gosh, she feeling so fly. We are done with the makeup. Just time to pop some eyelashes. Okay.
Low waist, fat ass bitch, tap in. Tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in. Tap in. Fucking nigga get rich, bitch, tap in. Tap in. MLB.
Sour candy.